welcome to my vlog! Yes, ayan, improve na tayo ngayon kasi this week dumating niya aking order na ring light. Ayan, dito siya. And then yung aking microphone which is naka-attach ito sa aking phone na ginagamit. So ayan, I'm live at home. This is already the second week of my home quarantine and this is the last week. Yes, last week na po ng aking home quarantine sa patapos na ako. So yung nag-pray at nag-expect na ako may COVID-19, pasensya na at hindi natupad yung inyong mga wishes. Ayan. But anyway, since naka-home quarantine ako, work from home pa rin tayo. So it doesn't mean na tayo ay nasa bahay ay walang ginagawa ang mga public school teachers like me, even though ngayon ay dapat sana ay may classes na, pinatrabaho na kami. So still we are in a work from home arrangement as per Civil Service Commission dahil nga sa COVID-19 to what do you call it, to prevent the transmission of the virus, yung COVID-19. And ngayon, continuous pa rin ako sa ginagawa ko. Ayan, yung paggawa ng mga slides or presentations for a free webinar offering. Patuloy pa rin tayo doon. I'm still also testing live broadcast, airing on Facebook Live. Yan, kaya kung makikita nyo minsan merong mga Facebook Live na yun, test ko yun. Tinetest ko yung capabilities ng aking mga gadgets sa pag-stream ng live sa Facebook and other social media platforms. Also, yung ginagawa din natin is nag-attend tayo ng iSmile Webinar SEO Camarines Sur Webinar and Series. It is a online webinar offered by Free by DepEdCamp Sur to update teachers with the latest trends sa new normal sa education system, and also dun na rin sa preparations naming mga teachers para sa mga iba-ibang alternative learning delivery modalities na aming i-offer once na mag-start na nga ang pasukan this August 24. So ayan, later on I'm going to show you the things that I've been doing, yung mga pag-attend natin ng mga webinars, and then yung mga ginagawa nating PowerPoint presentations, testing broadcast live. Ayan, I'm going to see you some video clips of what we've been doing this week. Kaya hindi ako naubusan kahit pa ng mga ginagawa sa bahay kasi yun ang ginagawa ko mga stuffs. But anyway, we'll be going to check later on what we have been doing busy. First muna is yung papakita natin yung ginagawa natin na online webinar na ina-attend natin yung sa iSmile sa DepEdCamp Sur. Let's check it out. Hello, welcome again to our vlog. Nakita nyo, masyadong maliwanag yan yung aking bagong bili na ring lights. Yan, dumating na siya this week. And ayan, if you're going to see, ko ngayon, Facebook Live, attending the iSmile Webinar and Series ng DepEdCamp Sur. The one who is speaking is our educational program supervisor, si Ma'am Presi de la Vega. Yan, she's giving some updates pagdating sa modules na ipoproduce for English sa start ng school year this 2020-2021. Ayan, so you are hearing now Ma'am Presi de la Vega, our educational program supervisor sa English. She is talking about the modules, the modular distance learning pagdating sa English. Yun ang isa sa mga binibigay niya ngayon, ang mga updates for English teachers like me pagdating sa pag-i-implement ng alternative learning delivery modalities this August. So yan, busy tayo sa pag-attend hanggang ngayon. Work from home ang mga teachers, kaya trabaho pa rin tayo ngayon. Yan, you have seen a while ago yung pag-attend ko ng or video clip ng pag-attend ko ng isang webinar, online webinar offered by the Schools Division Office of Camarines Sur, held by our Superintendent, Ma'am Lloyda Nedea, and the 3 ASDSS, kasama na rin si OIC Chief ng CID, Ma'am Lynn Padillo, and OIC SGOD Chief Peter Pedonio, and kay Sir Ping Nabrea, our Division IT Coordinator. So sila yung mga technical working committee groups na busy sa pag-produce nitong webinar and series ito, and we're thankful as teachers kasi kumbaga nararamdaman namin na hindi kami pinapabayaan ng gobyerno at these dire times na kailangan namin ma-update ano ba yung dapat namin gawin at ma-prepare kami mga teachers sa mga new trends all na may pandemic na ngayon at kailangan namin magturo pa rin. Kasi sabi nga ni Secretary Blanes, education must continue and that is really true. Kailangan naman patuloy ang edukasyon no matter what will happen because that is essential to us. Yan. Also, yun na nga sabi ko kanina, nag-air ako ng live broadcast testing nga lang to check yung mga capabilities ng aking gadgets kasi sa pag-air ko ng broadcast live, iba-ibang gadgets yung gamit ko. And I need to check if synchronously working lahat yon pag nag-air na nga ng live broadcast sa online, sa Facebook and other social media platforms once I have done it. Kasi we need to avoid technical glitches. Mabawasan yung mga glitches or ma-identify na natin bago pa tayo mag-online na air yung talagang official na at least na-test na natin, na-try na natin ano ba yung mga possible problems at mabigyan natin yun ng mga solusyon. So I'm going to show you a short video clip of what happened nung nag-air ako ng live broadcast, yung testing live broadcast sa Facebook. So let's check it out. Hello, mic test. Hello. Hello. Mic test. Hello. Hello. Hello, mic. So, good afternoon everyone. This is only a test live broadcast. So, yan, testing lang po. To be ready for the webinar na aking sponsor. So, abang-abang na lang kita. What will be what will happen dun sa ating ini-sponsor na webinar. I hope everyone will be able to participate kung sakali man. And while I'm live at home, ayan, quarantine pa rin, home quarantine. 2 days left na lang. Malapit akong matapos sa aking community quarantine, sa aking home quarantine. Anyway, he's only a live test broadcast. Testing lang. I'm just testing the audio, testing the camera, and yung aking PowerPoint presentation. Hindi ko lang muna i-reveal yung aking topic. Yan. Kaya nakalagay lang dyan is test live broadcast because this is only a testing of the broadcast. Kung sakaling mag-live ako. Ayan. So, hello everyone. I hope you are safe sa bahay. And, ayan. I hope everyone is okay. Hello, Auntie Laila, Chokson. Seryoso na akong maray, daiman. Nagtitest lang ako. Big-testing ko lang sa kong camera, si PowerPoint, and then si gamit ko na laptop or tablet. So, ayan. Audio is okay. I can see yun naman kasi may nakamonitor man akong sa mga phone digdi. Naladangon ko man if okay ang audio. And yung PowerPoint ko is okay naman. So, ayan. So, I can easily share to you my PowerPoint presentations. Okay naman. And then, speaker na lang. Yan. If I play background music, yun na lang ang problema ko. But I can, anyway, I can settle that. And
If successful naman ini, it's just that dahil lang ako ma-earning, what do you call it? Dahil lang ako ma-earning webinar to engage with online na what do you call it? Online broadcasting, possibly. Kasi kaya man. Depende na siguro sa sa signal and then sa capabilities ng aking mga devices na available. Anyway, so yan. This is on the test broadcast. I hope everyone is safe and sound at the comfort of your homes. Ayan, so at least I can already see what to be projected once I enter or once na yung aking webinar na propose ay ma-approve na nga. I'm just waiting for the reply na lang. But anyway, so thank you. Ayan, I'll be going to sign off na later on. Okay, so yan, maya na si maya na si PowerPoint. I hope it's okay na.
So you have seen already yung short video clip na Facebook Live ko. That was using my phone. Itong phone na ginagamit ko as the webcam. Nung tablet, kasi yung tablet na ginagamit ko is mahina ang resolution. Pixelated yung video and malabo pa. So what I have done is I have devised something to use my phone, this smartphone, Vivo V15 Pro, na malinaw ang cam, yan. Ginamit ko siya as webcam, connected dun sa aking tablet, para kahit yung ibang activities ko ay nasa tablet, yung pagka-take ng photos and videos, nandun pa rin sa webcam para malinaw siya. Wow! Hindi ako makikita ng aking audiences. So, yun. Ano pa ba? Yung, naka-headset ako lang kasi I want to hear also my voice if it's working. And to check the audio. Kung yung audio, yung mic doon sa headset ay gumagana and it's working and loud man. Lakas talaga yung quality ng voice. And clear. So, yan. Also, mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo yung isa ko pang Facebook Live. Kaso ito na may experience ako mga technical glitches. Yung hindi gumagana yung itong biglang nawawala yung connection ng aking ng phone sa tablet. Lagging. Yun. I've encountered some technical glitches na. Nung in-insert ko na yung isang PowerPoint presentation or graphics sa aking video streaming na live sa Facebook. So yun na nga, nagkaroon siya ng problema. So I need to use only one. It's either yung graphics lang alone and then audio ko lang while hindi ako makikita, or nandun yung makikita ako online yung gamit ng phone na to ulit as the webcam, pero walang graphics. Ito yung background, So yan, we'll be going to see that again. Let's check it out.
Okay, good afternoon again everyone. Live at Tabuan, Karamuan, Camarines Sur, airing on Facebook Live. So this is me, Paula at Magana, for a test live broadcast. So we are experiencing technical glitches as of the moment, but we're trying to settle those technical glitches and issues. So ayan, medyo loading ang shot siya. But anyway, this is a test live broadcast, testing the capabilities of gadgets right now. Anyway, sa mga ang gabaling naman, they are watching us just for hinahapon. So ayan, testing ka lang ito yung test na lang ito yung audio, our video, lightings, and then the gadgets that we have today for this test live broadcast. But anyway, in a couple of minutes, we'll be going to sign off since this is only a test live broadcast. But let's that the once that the technical glitches have been already resolved and the gadgets are already prepared for our live TV. No, not live TV. Live Facebook broadcast. So again, live here at Ambon, Karamuan Camarines Sur. This is Paul Artletonio. Let us watch this video clip before we sign off for today's test live broadcast. Okay, so just na hapon, we've already tested our and yun nga, there are glitches, technical glitches when it comes to airing or broadcasting our online live TV broadcast. We're live again. So yun nga, we have been experiencing problems when it comes to what they call that, sa ating graphics. When we added already the graphics for itong yes, the graphics. I mean, when I added the graphics, medyo nag-lag na and hindi na nakuha na mabuti. Medyo slow mo yung aking video. But anyway, if that is the case, then we'll be going to try other things so that we can assure the public and everyone's watching that we are delivering um, information. But anyway, I hope everyone is fine in the comfort of your homes. And I hope everyone's watching right now is okay. So again, this is only a test broadcast. Test broadcast lang. Testing lang. If kaya kang sa to yung mga gadgets, internet, kailan sa to yung webcam digdi, if kaya ang live stream through Facebook. But anyway, hello, but anyway, okay. Thank you everyone. I hope you're okay. So we're going to sign off in a couple of minutes or in a couple of seconds. So thank you again for watching. This is me again, Paula Placanio, signing off.
So there you have it. Nakita nyo na kanina. May mga technical glitches nga. But anyway, that is normal naman. Kasi one thing that could contribute to that is yung mahinang signal. Kasi naka-wifi lang tayo, naka-pocket wifi. But anyway, yun na nga. I've been thinking already of an online broadcast. Wow! Or balita sa mga taga-isla and not just from sa mga taga or National High School but for the rest na pwedeng or available na lang manood. Kasi I think that sabi nga natin educational TV, radio, broadcasting, educational TV, radio, and radio-based instructions or ETV-RBI is one of the alternative learning delivery modalities ng DepEd ngayon. So, naisip ko ng isang paraan para makapag-share tayo ng learning sa ating mga kabataan is through radio. But the problem is we don't have frequencies kasi we need a franchise for that. You know naman the issue of ABS-CBN, yun naman. And, kailangan natin yung, so what we have did, and we also need facilities. So, in order to make things simple na lang, we can air it online. So, online na lang tayo mag-air. Hindi na tayo mag-air through antennas. Facebook na lang tayo. At least we can share information and these are reliable and educational contents ang laman. So, yan. I hope that everyone will be available once na bawasan natin yung mga technical glitches and yun na nga, maganda na yung resulta ng both graphics and yung video capturing na mga aspeto ng pag-live streaming natin online. So, I hope you have somehow enjoyed and maganda din naman yung naging karanasan nyo sa panonood ng aking vlog. Sabi ko nga nung first vlog ko, I'm not yet a pro. Hindi pa ako ganun kagaling sa pag-vlog. But I'm trying my best to entertain everyone na nanonood. At least you can get something from it. Hindi lang tayo nag-entertain, but you can learn from it. At least nakikita nyo yung mga ginagawa din ng mga teachers ngayong may naka-work from home tayo at yung iba naman naka-home quarantine. But anyway, dahil nga naka-home quarantine tayo, sabi ko nga, although I really wanted na sana to go to my station, but it happened na someone prevented me from doing that. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-report sa aking station. So, because of them, ayun, nandito ako for 14 days. And because of those, what do you call it, of those happenings na hindi natin inaasahan, but they happen, sometimes there comes an opportunity. May dumarating yung opportunity. Although, at first talagang na-disappoint ako na hindi ako nakapunta sa station dun sa aming school. But anyway, marami naman nangyari na mga good things din naman. So, ayan. Although, yung mga taong ayaw kong puntahin sa mag-report muna sa school, naitlago natin sa mga screen names na Lorna Tolentino at Jess Lapid. Although silang dalawa, ayaw nila ako pupuntahin sa school. But anyway, now I understand. Nung una talaga hindi. As in, I'm very mad. Gusto ko sana pumunta sa school. I miss already working. Pero they prevented me because may COVID-19 nga daw ako. And now, tapos na ako sa home quarantine this week. I've already made it pala to that 14-day na home quarantine. So yun, gusto sabihin wala akong COVID-19. So ayan, sabi ko nga, kung isipin, for those na naka-quarantine ngayon or nasa bahay, I may advise you to stay at home na lang kung wala naman talagang gagawin. Just like me, 14 days ako talagang nasa bahay, pero hindi naman ako na bore. Anyway, kasi may wifi naman, may internet. So yun, nakakagawa ko ng mga bagay-bagay, may kuryente. So, since provided naman sa akin lahat, hindi naman ako nahihirapan. So, I hope na iwas-iwas mo tayo sa paglabas. Hindi ibig sabihin na MGCQ na tayo. Ay, wala na tayong maglalabas kahit hindi naman importante. Bawal pa rin po ang leisure activities na dahilan para mag-travel going to other places outside of Karamuan. So, yan ang tandaan natin. So, dapat pa rin nasa mga, kung babiyahe tayo outside of Karamuan, hindi yung maglalamyada ka lang or you're doing anything na hindi naman importante. It must be very important. Yun na nga. So, yun. I hope you enjoyed. Mas magiging maganda na ngayon yung mga contents ng ating vlog kasi meron na nga akong ring light and may microphone na ako dito naka-attach sa aking phone for more clearer na audio results. Hindi na katulad noon na medyo So yun na, halos kompleto na yung aking set for vlogging. May ring light na ako, may microphone, meron akong gimbal na ginagamit ko pag mag-vlog naman ako, na-record talaga ang traveling para hindi para stabilize yung kuha ng video. And yung phone ko na malinaw, Vivo V15 Pro. And then yung aking tripod and monopod. Yan, 2-in-1 na device, na accessory, which is yung monopod niya and tripod. Yan, ginagamit ko siya ngayon as stand ng aking phone. So, ayan, I hope everything is okay with all of you. Thank you very much. Bago ko matapos, I want to thank everyone for your I'm thankful for your support. Yung first vlog ko, it garnered already 1,000 views. First time ko pero 1K na kaagad. Yung second vlog yung binyagan, yung binyag ng aking inaanak, I've garnered almost 900 views. 190 na yung last check ko. Siguro ko 1K na rin yun. So I'm thankful at least there are 1,000 of you who are watching, supporting my vlog. Although sabi ko nga, hindi ako pro, hindi ako ganun gagaling. Wow! So I hope this coming vlogs pang darating, since na marami tayong mga content pa ang pwede pang ipakita, I hope that it will garner more views na rin and may enjoy kayo sa panonood. Especially dun sa mga naka-quarantine ngayon, just like me. So thank you everyone for watching. So this is me, Paolo R. Plapeño on Double P Vlogs. So goodbye. See you next week on my next vlog.